Yo, what is up everybody? In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Twitter's login error. So before I show you how you guys can fix it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix it. So let's start the video. So the first thing could be because of your slow internet connection. So when you're trying to log into Twitter and you have a slow internet connection, then you're not going to be able to log into your account. So that could also be the reason of your error. So make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for you to log in into Twitter. You can, speed test your internet as well. And if you still have this problem even after you have a stable internet connection, is if your Twitter account is not up to date. So go to Play Store to check if your Twitter account is up to date, because this could be caused by some kind of bug and updating your Twitter account could fix it. So my Twitter account is up to date since there's open, but if there's update instead of open over here, I need to update my Twitter. So make sure your Twitter account is up to date. And the other thing is, if you're still facing this problem even after updating your Twitter, basically what you can do is hold on Twitter icon just like this, and once this thing opens up, you can click on app info. Once you click on app info, you can click on where it says storage usage. Once you're in storage usage, click on clear data and then click on clear. What this is going to do is, this is basically going to clear all the data and cache stored by Twitter on your phone, and it's going to reset all the setting of Twitter as well. And after that, just click on permissions over here, and on permission, make sure all the permission is turned on. Some of my permissions are turned off, but don't worry, I'm going to turn it on. And yeah, you guys should also turn on all this permission on. Okay, after turning on all the permission, just basically try to log in into Twitter again and your problem should be fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, then basically the last thing you can do is delete Twitter and reinstall Twitter, because if it is caused by some kind of corrupted file, then deleting Twitter and reinstalling it is the best way to fix it. So yeah, these are the way on how you guys can fix your Twitter login error. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. And yeah, if you're having a verification code problem where you try to log into a Twitter and you're not receiving a verification code, then the other thing could be if your SIM card service providers are currently under maintenance or offline. So make sure they're online, their servers are not offline, because if their servers are offline, then you're not going to receive the verification code as well. So that could be the problem as well. So yeah, hope you guys find out how you guys can solve this problem, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.